good, YouTube? This is Z Baby, aka Z Money, with another freaking video. And in today's video is going to be a vlog video. Y'all have been vlogging a minute, but I just want to shout out all my new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate every single one of y'all that has subscribed. You know what I'm talking about, because you already know what it is and you already know what it be. So if you're new here on this channel, I do hauls, vlogs, cooking videos. I do it all. So think about subscribing. But anyway, y'all, today is going to be a vlog. Basically, I'm hanging out with my friend today. I recently just got my freaking hair done, and I wish I would insert a clip. Y'all can see the bag, but yes, I did take out my weave, and yes, I do have hair, period. I got hair. So right now I don't have any makeup on because today is a makeup free day. But however, today I'm gonna go get me some freaking seafood, and I'm gonna go to Target and the pet store. So if you want to keep watching this type of content, keep watching this video, and please give me a thumbs up and a like, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. If y'all see this, I got some hair underneath my chin. I need to get my chin done. But anyway, y'all, I'm waiting for my friend to get back in his car. I hope she don't leave me here too long. But yeah, I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the restaurant. Alright, you guys, so now I'm on my way to going to the seafood place called Red Crab House. I'm not wearing no makeup today, but basically, you know, I'm finna get this food because I'm starving. I eat nothing all day. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So just riding with my friend. She driving, so yeah, I drive in my car. But anyway, I'll see y'all when I get there. Yeah, so now I have arrived to the restaurant, and I got my food. Came out really, really good. So I'm gonna let y'all see my food right quick. Y'all, look at my food. Look at this. So that's my drink. My friend right here. Okay, this is a video actually. But yes, this is her food. This is mine. Oh, this food is looking so good. Can't wait to eat it. I'm starving. I dropped my drink, but they're making a new one. I'm freaking enjoying my day off, enjoying wearing my natural hair again. So, you know, I'll probably see y'all again, like, probably when I get to a store, because today is all about me. I'm trying to make it all about me, but I don't want this to be too long because it's copyright music. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when, like, I don't have the copyright music anymore. Look at my food. It's everything. Oh my god, I didn't even eat it yet, but okay. This is how Wednesdays are supposed to be. Period. No, girl, you can't be on the vlog. That's what your mama said. You can't be on my channel, so. Like day 4 that I'm picking this vlog back up. I was supposed to go to the pet store in Target, but I didn't end up going. Right now I'm in CVS because I think I was going to buy my sister some Ensure, but she just told me not to get none, but I'm still going to get it for her. And I'm also going to get some oil for my freaking hair. And then I'm going to make some food when I get in. So I hope you guys, you know, enjoy the rest of this vlog. But that's why I'm glad that I went to CVS, because now that I spent $16, I got a free $5 extra Bucks card. So I'm about to give me some stuff because it's only right. It's only right. So yeah, the Ensures that they have up here or whatever, and I'm just gonna get them for myself in case my sister doesn't drink them. But yeah, like, this is what they have. So this is why I came in this freaking store, and they have plenty of things to choose from. Don't know which one I'm gonna get. So you guys know when I do my vlogs, I love to show y'all what I'm gonna be cooking. So today I'm gonna be making some salmon cakes, and I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but I'm gonna be using this pink salmon canned red chew. We'll be using 2 of them. Also gonna be using this fish fry. I'm gonna add me a little bit of mayo in that thing, and then I'm gonna add some seasoning. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow.
So before I start cooking my salmon patties, the first thing I do is I make sure it's hot, and I always put some seasoning inside my oil. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to put some seasoning in my oil. And if you hear an annoying ass voice in the background, that's my annoying ass brother. But yes, I'm about to go ahead and add this seasoning to my oil right quick. A little bit of salt, just a tad, not too much. Don't want my friend commenting, that's too much salt. You need to put too much salt. But I always feel like the flavor catches better when it's in the oil. You know what I'm talking about? The next step I'm going to do is, I know y'all ain't see me do it, but I'm about to add some Old Bay. Oh, in this house, we running low on Old Bay, child. But I'm just going to add some Old Bay seasoning, if there's any. Oh my God, this is so embarrassing. Do we even have any more? No. Okay, I'm back. Yes, we do have obey. I'm about to say, oh no, I can't do this video. So I'm about to just add the obey to the oil or whatever. I'm just gonna add a lot since I didn't add it to my seasoning, because I love me some obey seasoning. And y'all need to try this out at home. I'm telling you, it's really, really good. Okay, so I'm going to come back and I'm going to play the music back when I put the salmon cakes inside of the oil.
Yeah, but something went wrong. The signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind.
You guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Like, share my videos. Let me know how to do my videos, because I need to know how to do my videos. Catch you guys in my next video. Try to be at home because it's super good. And yeah, guys, bye.